What is good? What is good? What is good, my beautiful people? It's your boy Jay. Luxury Hustle Mentorship, the opportunity plug. How you? What's goody? What's good? Another beautiful Friday. Another day that you're rocking with me. I haven't shot a video in a couple days, but that's all right because you know what? I have a plethora of YouTube videos that can keep you guys occupied while I'm not around. So that's the whole purpose of why I like shooting YouTube videos. But salute to everyone that has joined the channel, that has subscribed. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for taking the time out to hit that subscribe button and also hitting that notification button. So whenever I drop a new video, guess what? You're aware of what's going on, guys. If you hear a lot of little stuff going on in the background, don't worry about that. I got my daughter right here. She's just all over the place right now. So she wouldn't let me shoot a video because she was watching me the whole time. So I had to get her out of her little pack and play, and now she's just all over the place. So guess what? The videos don't stop because I still have to do what I got to do to get the info to you guys. See, it is what it is, all right? So let's get down to BI. All right, guys. So it is another Friday. You know what's up on Fridays. If you're involved in TCP, shout out for getting paid. If you're involved in MyEcon, shout out, and I hope you got paid. And you guys are getting paid. I know you are. Salute. Keep working, all right? But, guys, I wanted to talk about a marketing system that I am utilizing here, a free marketing system, America's favorite four-letter word. So, you know, I like to help people get going. So that's why I offer marketing system things that kind of do all the selling and telling for them while they're sleeping, while they're out playing with their kids like I'm doing, or...
You spend time with your family?
Sure I do.
Good.
Or whatever the case may be. You have something that works for you 24/7, 365, plus some OT. And that's how we roll. All right, now inside of that marketing system, there is some income streams. So we'll tell you, okay, it's a free marketing system, but the income streams you have to be a part of, okay? What we are considered affiliates, and we also have reseller rights when it comes to these income streams. If you guys are not affiliate, or not aware, or don't know what an affiliate program is, one easiest way that I can suggest this is take a look in the footaction.com, scroll all the way to the bottom, and you'll see affiliates. You can read up on affiliate where it says, hey, if anyone purchases off your website, and guess what? You get a commission. Or if you have reseller rights to something where someone goes out and buys the exact same product that you have reseller rights to, then guess what? You're going to get a commission. That's why I like being involved in things like that where I can either earn 100% commission or some type of commission, 50%, whatever it is. I get some type of kickback from me spreading the word. So everybody was all in-game. But did Disney pay you? Did AMC pay you for out here referring others to go see this movie? I don't think no one got paid. I know for damn sure I didn't get paid for referring nobody for it. So, what about you? But I'm into the referral industry. I'm into that industry where I like to get paid for sharing information. But the thing is, I'm into the information industry when it comes to this. There's so many things that you can do, from lotions and potions, health and wellness. But I don't like that. I don't want product in my house sitting on it, guys. There's other things I can do as far as reseller goes, and drop shipping and selling the things that I want to sell. And we have some things in place for that too, guys. So if you're interested in becoming a reseller and selling luxury items, reach out to me on that. I could definitely get you set up on that as well. But we're not talking about that right now. We're going to keep talking about the information industry that's making us a lot of money. Okay? Now, guys, one program that I'm involved in inside of this marketing system is called MyEcon. Guys, for everyone that's in MyEcon, we love it. We love it. Why? We're in the United States as well. And what's so important around the United States is wealth. Credit is one of the main things that we talk about in MyEcon. It's a financial literacy program that's going to teach you the ins and out about financial literacy, okay? From raising your credit score, we're going to teach you how to do. We're going to show you this. We're going to give you templates. We're going to give you everything you need to know to fix your credit, okay? We're going to show you how to put money back into your pocket. So if you're working 9 to 5, no filing exempt, we're going to show you how to actually unlock the rest of your allowances to get the tax breaks, to get more money back on your check. We're going to show you that. We're going to show you how to get discount on your travel. We're going to show you how to get cash back for shopping. We're going to literally show you all this, right? We're going to show you how to put your money into things and let it work for you and make money and earn money off dividends and get paid off dividends. Doesn't that, I mean, you got to work in financial institutions to learn a lot of this stuff. Take it from me. I know. I worked in many credit unions, and I've learned that from being a part of the credit union. All right? Now, the second part of this is, let me back up. With this program, you get paid out weekly, every Friday, okay? You're going to be able to earn residual commissions. You're going to be able to earn commissions from that you just bring direct in. You're going to be able to you're going to be able to earn off overrides. There's so many ways that you can get paid with MyEcon. So I'm not going to get into that because I want you to hear it the same way I heard it, and I want you to see it the same way I seen it. So there's going to be a link, again, with the marketing system that's going to explain that income stream. Excuse me. Second income stream inside this program is going to show you the ins and outs of marketing. Now, I love this program, guys, because I get paid instant commissions, not weekly, instant commissions, and I get paid different levels, okay? So this is, like I mentioned, the first program, I didn't say this, but you can get started as low as $19. $19. So don't sit up here and say, I don't have $19 to take a hold of my life to start making the change where I can bring in weekly income. I can start fixing my credit. I can go out here and get things done so then I can go and purchase a home loan and flip houses and do what I need to do. We're going to show you how to do that. What you got, Pootie? Okay. All right. Now, also with that, we're going to pretty much show you how to do, like I said, make money and literally how to do this, okay? So with the second income stream, we have levels starting off at $25, $100, $250, $500, $1,000, and $2,000. Instant commissions. Get paid into your PayPal. Get paid into your Cash App, your Venmo, your Western Union, whatever, however you want to accept payments, net spend, I don't care. But we're able to get paid in whatever method that we want to get paid. Instant commissions. Now, when you come in at one of those levels that I mentioned, you're also qualified for the bottom levels. So you come in at 500, you qualify for all those other levels. So if anyone decides they want to join, you're going to get paid at any one of those levels, okay? Sorry about the higher ones. They're not going to give it to you, but there is things that you can do to get qualified for those levels, and we're going to show you how to do that as well when you get inside of the business as well, okay? Now, with this, I mean, you might see some things that I put up, you know, where I'm showing you, you know, $500 payments. I'm showing you weekly payments, and I've gotten paid so many different ways, guys, and that's why I like shooting videos like this to let you guys know what's out here and what you can do when it comes to these type of programs, okay? Now, I'm already involved in a done-for-you marketing system. There is systems that you can go out here and brand yourself for your team, because we teach you, we want you to be a leader at the end of the day. I don't want you to go out here and keep marketing and branding others, because that's not you. You know, you're considered a leader. When you bring people in, you want to have things set up as far as bonus training. You want to have things set up as far as lead sources goes. And guess what? I do. So when someone joins me, guys, I'm going to say, hey, you get social media training. I'm going to give you access to where I get leads from. I'm also going to show you, hey, how I get 200 leads per day. And if you guys weren't interested in that, check out a couple videos. There's going to be a link at the bottom here. Right now, I'm actually at 4,000 leads now, guys. So that program, that lead, that particular tool, that's serious right there. Okay, but I'm able to pretty much blast out my opportunity to those leads every day. So opportunities like this, I'm able to blast it out to those leads every day so they can get to know me, where I'm building that relationship with them, and then boom, that's how I'm keeping sign-ups. I'm just staying consistent, shooting YouTube videos, sharing YouTube videos, doing Facebook videos, doing Facebook ads, doing Instagram ads. Guys, we show you how to do it, okay? It's not rocket science, but we can show you how to take 30 minutes to an hour a day and really get things going and really start making some money, okay? So I don't want to keep you guys too long. I'm just getting back in the groove. I haven't shot a video in a second. I've been so busy caught up with the family, guys. Been so much going on here, man. My little ones, the birthdays have just been keeping me so busy, but we're getting things under control. I've lost my office, so I got to share it actually with my daughter. But it is what it is. So I'm shooting right now, one in the bedroom right now, guys. So forgive me. Like I say, you hear my daughter around, you see stuff in the background. We don't care. We just want to let you know. Shoot a video, okay? Keep this going. Keep sharing information out here so that way you can help others. And that's exactly what we do, guys. All right? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, it is Friday. Shout out to everyone that's in TCP, the Conversion Pros. We got paid. We're getting paid today. They haven't paid us out yet, but you guys know what's up. It normally comes on Fridays between 1 and 8, 7, 6. It's between those times. I get paid every week, so I don't even be stressed off of it, man. It just comes in. And shout out to everyone else that's getting paid. All right, so we're going to wrap this video up. Hope you guys have a beautiful and blessed day. Until the next one, this is your boy Jay. I'm out. Peace.